Hello everyone. Welcome one more time to one more YouTube video. Today we're gonna see pretty quick. There is a very common error that is called 1200. Sometimes when you open Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, you see at the bottom on the right side that Outlook is not updating or that you can see the most recent emails. And most of the time it says it times out. It tries to sync and then times out. And then it says something went wrong, error 1200, and then there are some details at the bottom. What I normally do, or what I tried to do before, was just, okay, let me just delete the account and then re-add the account, but then the same error keeps coming back. The most easy quick fix for that is this. If you go to this path and then delete this folder, and then once that one is deleted, just delete this one, and then reopen Outlook. Right away it's going to ask for the password and it's going to take you to the modern website authentication in Microsoft. Enter the right password and then you are all set. Hopefully this is going to be useful for you because it was for me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.